What if I told you that in 2025, the smartest investor in the world isn't Warren Buffett? It isn't a hedge fund manager, and it damn sure isn't your financial advisor, it's AI. Artificial intelligence is taking over finance, and it's doing things that humans simply can't compete with. We're talking algorithms that crunch billions of data points in milliseconds. AI doesn't sleep, doesn't panic sell, doesn't get emotional, it just executes. And the results? Some of these AI-driven strategies are already outperforming Wall Street's so-called best and brightest. Here's the brutal truth. 95% of retail investors lose money because they're emotional, impatient, or following bad advice. Meanwhile, hedge funds and institutions are arming themselves with AI tools that identify trends, spot patterns, and predict market moves before you even see them. In 2025, AI investing isn't optional, it's the future. Whether you're in stocks, crypto, forex, or even real estate, AI is rewriting the rules. Think ChatGPT for markets but on steroids. These systems don't just read charts. They analyze earnings calls, social media sentiment, global news, and even satellite data to make smarter bets. That's a level of insight no human brain can keep up with. Now here's the kicker: everyday people are starting to get access. Platforms are popping up that let you tap into AI investing, not just billion-dollar hedge funds. Imagine dropping a few $100 into an AI-powered trading system and watching it run circles around traditional strategies. That's why you're hearing stories of regular investors making life-changing money while the old guard struggles to keep up. But let me be crystal clear, this isn't some magic money printer. AI is powerful, but it's still only as good as the data and strategies it's trained on. The winners in 2025 will be the people who learn how to leverage AI, not blindly trust it. The losers? The ones who sit back and pretend this revolution isn't happening? Wall Street is being disrupted. The question is, are you going to be on the outside watching or on the inside winning? If you want to stay ahead of the curve, stay tuned. Because on this channel, I break down exactly how AI is changing finance, where the opportunities are, and how you can position yourself before everyone else catches on. So if you're ready to stop getting left behind, hit that subscribe button right now. Don't wait until 2026 to realize you missed the biggest shift in investing history. This is the future. AI is here. The only question is, are you in? Subscribe now and let's ride this wave together.